Vegetable choppers and mandolins have evolved from niche kitchen gadgets into staple time savers for home cooks and busy families. The best models combine durable blades, well-thought-out containment, stable bases, and easy cleaning to reduce prep time without sacrificing safety or results. In this comparison, I tested 5 popular.
List number 1. Mueller The Real Original Pro Chopper. Mueller's Original Pro Chopper combines an 8-blade array with a 10-in-1 claim, boasting a sturdy stainless steel blade set, a container to capture chopped produce, and a design that prioritizes quick setup and cleanup. The product is marketed as the workhorse for onions, tomatoes, peppers, and more, with a focus on restaurant-grade performance for home use. Technicals emphasize the included food container, a dishwasher-safe maintenance approach, and a robust build intended to withstand frequent use. At $24.99, it sits at the premium end of this lineup, expected to deliver durability and consistent results. Performance-wise, the Mueller chopper offers a broad blade repertoire, including slicing, julienne, grating, and shredding, that enables a wide range of prep tasks without swapping tools. The presence of a food holder and the container helps keep work surfaces cleaner and reduces slipping while cutting. In practice, the tool shines for batch prep, as in shredding cabbage for coleslaw or dicing multiple onions quickly. However, some users may find the 11-inch footprint a bit bulky for compact kitchens, and mandolin-style operation can require careful hand positioning to maintain uniform thickness when slicing.
List number 2. Vegetable chopper. The Yushin 12-in-1 chopper emphasizes a modular blade set with 7 cores of slicing and dicing options, plus an integrated container and water filter/collection system. The design prioritizes value and versatility, offering a comprehensive tool in a compact footprint. It includes accessories like a brush and hand protector to assist with safety. At $9.99, it targets budget buyers seeking a broad range of tasks, dicing, mincing, grating, in one unit, with a focus on efficiency and ease of cleanup. In practice, the Yushin performs best for basic vegetable prep. Dice tomatoes, onions, peppers, carrots, and cucumbers with reasonable speed and accuracy. The 14x14mm and 6.5x6.5mm dice blades offer standard cube sizes, while additional blades, wave slicer, cheese grater, fine mill, provide novelty value for certain recipes. The hand wash only requirement and absence of a true dishwasher-safe instruction may add maintenance overhead over time. Some users report that larger produce may require pre-cutting to avoid clogging, and the integrated water filter container system, while convenient, can complicate cleaning if not disassembled properly.
List number 3. Fullstar The Original Pro Chopper, Vegetable Chopper. Fullstar positions this model as a 4-in-1 system with a 5-cup capacity, combining dicing, slicing, spiralizing, and an integrated catch tray. The build emphasizes a soft grip TPU handle, non-slip base, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades, and dishwasher compatibility on the top rack. The white colorway and compact dimensions, roughly 7.99 inches long by 2.99 inches wide by 4.49 inches high, appeal to small kitchen users while offering a robust set of duties from vegetable chopping to light fruit prepping. Performance-wise, the Fullstar excels in controlled, consistent cuts with minimal clumping due to the container and built-in catch tray. The non-slip base and handle design contribute to safer, one-handed operation during chopping tasks. It shines for quick weeknight meals and batch prep where space is limited. Cleaning is straightforward since components are designed for top-rack dishwasher cleaning, though some users report occasional blade maintenance to maintain sharpness. The 5-cup capacity is a practical middle ground, but may feel small for very large batches.
List number 4. Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer. This entry is listed as a Mueller product with a similar feature set to the original Pro Chopper, marketed under a generic brand descriptor. It emphasizes a container, slicing and dicing functionality, and a cheese grater attachment, presenting as a versatile, all-in-one tool. Price is $19.96, positioning it as a mid-range option that emphasizes value for money while leveraging Mueller's established production quality. In use, the device benefits from a familiar Mueller build quality with stable operation and a reasonable blade lineup for a broad set of tasks. The inclusion of a cheese grater adds cross-functional value for those who often prepare toppings or salads. However, the non-disclosed container capacity can influence how much you can prep in one session. If you value Mueller's proven engineering but want a slightly more compact footprint, this is a sensible pick.
List number 5. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. The OXO Good Grips line is renowned for ergonomic design and practical usability. Although the listing here labels it as an unknown brand, the familiar OXO approach typically features a soft, non-slip handle, secure blade assembly, and a straightforward, intuitive chopping process. The model price is $22.82, placing it near the premium end of this set, with an emphasis on comfortable operation and reliable performance. In practice, OXO-style choppers are often praised for stable performance and ease of use during daily meal prep. They tend to have straightforward blade configurations and robust safety features to reduce finger exposure during chopping. Cleaning is generally straightforward, with many components designed for dishwasher-safe top racks or easy hand washing. The trade-off sometimes lies in blade variety and capacity relative to more specialized models. For some users, a simpler design that delivers consistent results is exactly what they need.